What is up, everybody? It's your boy MMBway. Today we are going to be playing some more Call of Duty Mobile. So today's video, we are gonna win a game only with a shotgun. As you can see, I have the shotgun in my hand. So yeah, let's begin. So today we're only gonna play one game because of my space, but yeah, we'll see if it can survive one game. Yeah, don't worry, the next video it will probably be sorted by then, the space thingy. But yeah, wish me luck in the what map is this? I think I've been here before. Yeah, I've been here before. Looks like the map looks like a S or a snake. If you like turn it, the angle. What am I doing? Let's stop talking about the map and it looking like a snake. Okay.
Deathmatch.
Oh wow, we're starting already. I'm taking a shortcut. Oh freak. Lag. No. Why lag now, bro?
We've taken the lead.
It's lagging. Why is it lagging so quick?
Sniper!
What happened? I died by a bomb.
We've taken the lead. Reaching back up.
I must not get killed.
Semtex!
He's gonna die.
Enemy down!
No! He stole my kill, bro.
Reloading! Cover me!
Where the hell are you fucking shot?
Reloading! Cover me!
Where are we getting shot at?
Tango down! Semtex!
Yo, bro, I got him. No kill.
Get down! Sniper! Enemy UAV spotted. Stay close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead. Be advised. Hostile hunter.
No! I got killed by a freaking flying drone thingy. Hunter killer drone. Yeah, that's right. Come on. Where are these people? Bomb. Someone's on top. I'm gonna kill him. There you go. Where's this dude? Are you kidding me? He died before I could kill him.
Enemy contact! Need backup!
This is a perfect map for snipers because it's like so long.
Heads up, team. Enemy
You know
UAV
what?
spotted.
Let's get to 30 likes on this video and I will do another version of this video, but with snipers. Dang it. Yo, bro, I've gotten only freaking one kill, bro.
Backup! Heads up. Enemy
You
UAV
get
spotted.
more kills. Where's the frick? The people, whenever I go to them and I want to kill them, they're like already dead.
Get down!
Frick! Why? Why? No. Okay, come on. No more playing games. A bomb. What the frick? How did, what the? Oh, come on, bro. Someone used a weird thingy. Okay.
Need backup! Pick it up, team.
No. No. Why? Did I get sniped? Oh yeah, I did. Yo, bro, this gun sucks. It's like good, but it still sucks. Oh my going? Bro, I don't know where I'm going.
Need backup.
I'm just
Need backup. Tango down.
walking.
Reloading.
Rick, where is he? Where is he? Dang it! We're losing. Whoa. I thought he was. No! We're losing. We're gonna lose. The enemy team needs to get one more kill. Wow. Wow. Our very first game and we lost. Yeah, okay, so my rating on this gun 0, bro. 0 out of 10. You know what? No, 6 out of 10. Because you see, so basically it's overpowered. It's basically like the like the knife, like the melee. Like if you go for it and then you can like one shot the person. But the problem with both of these weapons is because like when you run towards the person, it gives them an advantage where they can shoot you while you're running to them. And it reloads very long, this gun. But yeah. Anyways, this has been me, your boy Malachi, torturing himself with only one weapon. Oh, I've been playing this game like off screen. I made it to 80. I made from 18 to 21. So I basically have 2 more to go to get to the money. But yeah. So yeah, this has been your boy Malachi torturing himself for a video for you guys. But yeah. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Why?